Okay, fine. Connection has failed. Okay, no issues. Open TNS name Sora file again. Yeah, change the whole description. Like, can you just copy this second one description to a different notepad for ORCL? Yeah, for the second one. Yes. And just remove all those spaces. That means just bring everything into a single line. Yeah. Just give delete there. Okay. Next one also at the end also. Okay. Next. Okay. Copy this. And yeah, paste this DSN there in RP. Did you try this?
Yeah, I tried with that.
Okay. Okay.
I
Yeah.
tried save.
Okay. Just give this. Yeah. Give next. Okay. Fine. And instead of this one, host name as local host, just give Coxa. In DSN, edit there itself, and host name just give it as Coxa. Not here, not here. Yeah, in the DSN itself, the data source name itself. You have before port you have local host, right? Yeah, just remove that local host and just give capital letter Coxa. Yeah, COKSA. Yeah, just give next. Okay. Okay, open your command prompt. Yeah, can you give SQL plus sys as sysdba or something like that? Space. No. Sys as sysdba, not SQL plus as sysdba. Just give SQL plus sys as sysdba. Enter. Give sys again and enter. Okay, fine. So can I just give select star from user underscore all underscore tables where owner equal to select star from all underscore tables all underscore tables where owner equal to supplier to in capital letters. Owner equal to capital in single quotes give capital supplier to. Yeah, semicolon no rows selected. Okay, nothing is there, that means okay, so fine. Just do exit. Yeah, and just go back to this RPD window. So instead of supplier to just log in as sys and sys. Username give it as sys and password as sys. And change the Coxa back to localhost. 1 minute. Change the Coxa back to localhost. Yeah. You next. Okay. Can you just check the service again? Just go to services window. One second. Oracle service war sale is started. And this VM, does this VM has this one? Just open folders in this VM. Just open the open my computer tab. Yeah. Let me check if there is any other drive. Just okay. C drive. Can you open to E? Can you open E drive? This folder is empty. Okay. Just open C drive. One second. BA home. Oracle software. Yes. Okay. Open BA home. Instances. Why JIDK everything they kept here last? Okay. There is no even not even do you have this one Oracle SQL developer on this mission? Just check whether SQL developer is installed.
Yes.
From there also I tried to make a new connection, but the same
Oh, it
error I
failed.
was getting.
Okay, yeah, just click on
Yeah, it
SQL
failed.
developer.
What is it for now?
That's okay.
Okay. Yeah, try to make a new connection. You are able to connect to HR?
No, it is ask password. I do not know the password for it.
Yeah, just give HR.
Okay.
Click OK. Invalid username password. You give capital HR or small HR?
Small issue.
That's correct. Okay, try to give capital HR once.
Yeah.
You give capital HR now,
Okay,
right?
just try to make a new connection.
Yeah, new
Yeah.
connection and just try to log in with sys and sys. No, not with this. Yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. Try this. Otherwise, go to the connections and just try to make a new connection. Yeah, just make a new connection. Connection name, give it as ORCL, anything is fine. Yeah, username, password sys and sys. Okay. And your service name, you have to give a service name, right?
Yeah. Click on the radio button.
Yeah, give ORCL. Yeah, just give test this. Invalid username, password. But we are able to connect to sys, right? Through SQL plus. Okay. Okay, do one thing. Go to the command prompt window and we'll just try to create a new user and see. Go to command prompt. Yeah, create a new user here. Create user supplier to something. Give that same thing. Create. No. You should log into SQL plus, right? This BI admin doesn't work. Yeah, just go give the previous command SQL plus sys as sysdba. Yeah, enter this. We'll see once we resolve it.
Password is this line.
Yeah, create user supplier to, or give any user, fine. Supplier to identified by supplier to. Yeah, just enter. Okay, user is created. Grant DBA to supplier to. And one more, grants is DBA to supplier to, you can give. Give exit. Now give SQL plus supplier to as DBA. No, in CMD only, in command prompt only. Just give SQL plus supplier to as DBA. Use semicolon and enter. Enter password supplier to. Okay, give select star from user underscore tables. Okay, meanwhile in the SQL developer also just try with the same username password.
Here button.
Yeah, in the SQL developer, just try with the same thing. This is working fine. From command prompt it is working fine. Yeah, just try to log in supplier to supplier to. Yeah, just click under tables. You don't have any tables, right? I think you don't have any tables under that. Fine. Because supplier to schema, okay, let me give you one dump file. You can just import it. It takes hardly some few seconds. So how to give this? Just check. Do you have training folder? Do you have some folder called training under your C drive? Just check. C drive, C drive. Do you have something called as training or something like that? Software, no. Okay, fine. So I have a file. So how can I share that it is of 64 MB almost? Can I copy paste?
Send them in.
64 MB cannot be sent in mail, right?
Yeah, I cannot send it in email. I can send it through normal. You have a fursing.com, right? From there I can send it. Just a second, I'll call Gangadhar. Just a second. Hmm. Okay, from here, just copy your desktop. Let's see. This one, right? Where is it? Here. Just 65 MB, not in GBs. And you can give him my recordings. This batch we started, right? For 3 days. From first day, you can give recordings. You can collect and keep in your laptop and you can do it. This one only, right? Why? Faster, huh? This will. From where? You can keep it. This is your pen drive, right? It is there, huh? I don't know. come in the evenings also. One second. No, we can keep it in Google Drive also, right? Google Drive also we can. Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll take it out. How much time it takes? 5 minutes. Do it. So I'll just wait. I'll send you a link, okay? So you can download supplier to dump file from there so that it has all the tables and schemas, okay? So we'll just wait for a couple of minutes. So now it is able to properly connect, right? Can you just check the properties now on a HR schema? Can you just right click and check the properties? How it is taking, whether it is taking localhost or it is taking. It's taking localhost SID as ORCL, okay. Service ID, fine. So try to create a new connection. Just cancel this. Create a new connection. One more supplier to connection again. So just make sure that it is working properly. A connection name you can give it as ORCL or anything. Username and password as supplier to. Yeah, SID instead of XC, just give it as ORCL. Small letter ORCL, yeah. Just give test. Success. Okay, just connect. And from our RPD also, just open the RPD window now. Uploaded link for sync. You can see. Yeah. I'm pinging you one download link in the chat window. Just download one file from there, okay? Where is chart? So just download, yeah, from here. And meanwhile, just in the RPD window, give data source name as small ORCL. Chandrasekhar, give data source name as small ORCL. Yeah, username as supplier to. Password also supplier to. Click next. Connection has failed. Give the full data source name, entire DSN.
This one, brother?
Yeah, this one.
Apply to right username password.
Click next. Okay, now it's working, right? Just click next.
Yes.
I think it should not have any tables now. What we will do, I have sent you that link. Meanwhile, Chandrasekhar, can you open your chat window and take that link? Take the link that I
I
pinged.
have taken a download. Yeah, it's downloading for that.
Oh, okay. Okay, can you just scroll down and see supplier to schema?
Yeah.
Just scroll up. You don't have supplier 2, right? Because it doesn't have any tables. I think that is the reason it is not showing a fine. So just cancel this so that connections and everything are proper now. What we can do, once the dump file is downloaded, we can just import the dump file into our system. Okay, so I'll just tell you the command also. Don't worry. Just close this window, close RPD window, or let it be there. Let it be there. Leave it. Cancel. Just minimize this. Just minimize this. And how much percentage it got downloaded? That file.
42 MB completed.
48%. Huh?
1 minute. No, 43 MB completed. 1 minute left.
Okay. We'll just wait. Let that complete. Meanwhile, open your command prompt. Yeah, exit. Just give exit. Okay, fine. And where is that file? Dump file? It is in your local machine. Can you copy that to your virtual machine? Did you open that in this here itself or in your local machine?
In local machine. Actually, it's simply a shared drive, right? Go to meeting.
Can you open that folder? Supplier to download is complete.
Yeah, Pratap.
Yeah, Chandrasekhar, you can copy that to your VMC drive. Your virtual machine C drive, you can copy that file.
Okay.
Are you able to copy?
Yeah, I have taken right now.
No, because okay, yeah. Just copy here.
Paste is not coming.
Oh, paste option is not coming.
See, I will download it from here itself.
Yeah, that is better actually. Give that link.
Send me an Gmail link.
No, here you can open your window also, right? Normal window also, right? That FirSync window also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, directly take that link and just paste it in. Take from the chat window. Take from the chat window. It is there.
So this is not copying into a console box. Type here.
Yeah, save file in C drive. Yeah, let it download. That's better.
Pratap, one general question. Pratap, Hello.
Okay, so you are you downloaded everything, right, Chandrasekhar?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now open your command prompt. Yeah, here just type a command imp space supplier2 slash supplier2 file equal to space file equal to C colon backslash just C drive C colon backslash your file name supplier2.dmp as in capital letters, however it is. Yeah. Space full equal to y. Y. No. Just give normal y. No need to keep in single quotes. Yeah. Just give full equal to y semicolon. Just give enter. So now all the tables are getting imported. So this will import all the tables, but one or two tables will miss out employees because I created them after that and I didn't create any dump file. But that is still fine. I will send you the script for those things also. Okay, as of now you can start with basic, and in the meanwhile we can join up. In the 9th or 10th exercise you will see employee table and all. So till that you can keep practicing. Grants is to be okay, fine. All the tables have come up now. Okay, just open your RPD window now. File import metadata. Import metadata. No need of new repository. In this repository only you can import metadata. OCI 10G 11G. Give data source as capital ORCL. Don't copy the whole description. We'll just see. Give capital ORCL. Username password supplier2. Click next. If this is not working, give the entire description.
Okay.
I think this won't work. You can copy. Meanwhile, you can copy from the notepad. You can copy the entire description from the notepad. Yeah, just you can copy this. Yeah, give the entire description. Click next. Click next. Now this should show you supplier2 schema now because all the tables are present. Just scroll down. Supplier2, yeah, you can just click on the plus symbol. So this should have all the tables that we imported. Okay, now can you practice? Now don't import. Now just go to your, you can import D1 customer 2, select D1 customer 2, hold your control button and select D1 orders 2 and select D1 products. Yeah, and on the top there is something called D1 calendar 2. Can you select that? On the top. Yeah, D1 calendar 2. And click on the right arrow button on the top. On the right hand side here. Yeah, import selected. If you select second one, right, it will import everything. I don't want everything. Just give import selected. This will import your tables into your repository. And you can give your connect and data source name instead of entire, just delete this data source name, entire thing. Just give small ORCL here. That is still fine. Even if you rename this, that is no, sorry. Keep this entire thing here. Just give Control Z. I'm sorry. Just give the entire thing here. Yeah, just give OK. Give OK. That's fine. Connection pool name you can give supplier space CP. Anything is fine. You can keep anything. Later you can rename it. That is not an issue. Supplier space CP. SU. SUPPLIER space CP. Okay, click OK. Now this will come and sit in your physical layer of your repository. Okay. So just give finish. Once after this is completed, just give finish. And rename on the top. Just right click on the data source. Right click on that. Just give rename. And rename it as ORCL. Yeah. And just expand this. Yeah, and expand your supplier too. Yeah, now you have all your tables. You can create aliases, joins, and right click on any one of the table. Yeah, just click view data. Okay, your data you are able to see. Now connections are proper. Close this. Close this. Right click on your connection pool. On your connection pool. Yeah. And just give import metadata. Okay, now directly you will be taken to this screen. From here itself you can import. Okay, fine. So now is this working properly for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so here now you can start practicing. And Gaurav, what you can do in that mission? So I pinged you a link to Chandrasekhar, right? So the supplier to dump you can download, and the steps are like, first step what we did for resolving this issue, we created a user called supplier to manually, right? So now let me take back the control.
The supplier to schema was missing.
I think, see, when I asked my admins, right, they told this was from a different, this one, from different people. Okay, we had two virtual machines. Okay, so this VM was taken from a different, because our VM is around 50 GB. So they didn't wanted our VM to give, and they missed out this step, it seems.
Can you reiterate the
Yeah. So I will reiterate. So just keep in mind. So first step is log into your VM and make sure all the services are proper. Okay. First step. Just make sure all the ORCL related services are up and running. Second step. Okay, after you make sure, open your command prompt. Next, third step, connect to SQL Plus using sys user ID. Okay, how do you do this? Command is SQL Plus space sys space as sys DBA, and press enter. You will be prompted for password. Enter sys again and press enter. Okay, you will be taken into SQL window. Okay, after this what you do? You do create user supplier to identified by supplier to, right? Give this command.
So this we are creating a schema, right?
Yeah, we are creating a schema here.
Okay.
You will see a message saying user created. Next step is grant DBA to supplier 2, or else you can give grant DBA comma sys DBA to supplier 2. Both you can give to supplier 2. It will give you a message saying grant succeeded. Then I have given you then from SQL window just exit. Not from the command prompt, just from the SQL window. This again will show you some C drive, C colon, something like this. Okay. After this, what you can do, you can just give import command. So you must keep your file in C drive or any drive. Any drive is fine, but the path should be proper. Where you are giving now, Gaurav gave it in C drive, Chandrasekhar gave it in C drive, so he gave C colon slash and file name. Similarly, what you can do, just give IMP space supplier 2 slash supplier 2. This is the username and password to retrieve objects from that schema. Space file equal to.
After C drive, you have the path, Chandrasekhar, then IMP, right?
Which one? Yeah. See here, if you are directly in C drive, that is fine. Otherwise, if you are giving any path, that is anything is fine. This side really does not matter. Okay. This matters. C drive, again he gave supplier2.dump file. So this path is very important. If you are keeping under C training, something like that, you have to give the entire path here. Then followed by your file name. And next you should give full equal to Y. Just give semicolon and enter. It will import all the tables. So that's it. And how to connect there? Instead of giving just ORCL in your RPD, give the full description of your DSN name. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yeah, so this should work actually. Okay, so if any questions, you can ask Chandrasekhar itself. Otherwise, again I can help you tomorrow also. Okay, but today itself you make sure that you are doing it.
Yeah, I will definitely try it. So
Sure.
were we able to log into HR schema as well?
I think you should be able to log into HR, and HR should work. If it is not working, what you can do? You can go to same thing. You can now sys is working, right? Now just go here and just alter your user. Alter user HR identified by HR. So it will give the new password for your user as HR. So you can log in.
And one more doubt I want to clarify, Pratap. I thought like in TNS entries we need to give the schema names also. But here for ORCL we haven't mentioned.
No. Why you should give schema names? Because when I say a data source, ORCL, or a database, obviously it will be group of schemas, right?
Right.
So when you are able to log into your ORCL data source, all the corresponding users, maybe 100 users who are created in the data source can access that ORCL. And what? They can only see the objects from their user and from other users what they have access to. Okay. So when in the RPD window also, when Chandrasekhar opened, he is not only able to see supplier 2, even when he logged in with supplier 2, he is able to see all other schemas, HR, sys and everything. Because he have permission to look into all other objects which are present in database. Okay?
Right. Yes.
Yeah. So you can try this and start practicing today. Okay, and from tomorrow we can proceed with our regular practice sessions. Fine?
Sir, can you email these steps?
These steps you want.
Okay. I can see from here also, no problem.
Sure. I can email you these steps. This one, right? Gaurav Malhotra, right?
Yes.
One thing, and Chandrasekhar, yours, what is your ID? Sekhar, right? Yeah, Sekhar.
Third one.
Yeah, this one. And Shruti? This one.
Shruti.Carter.
Yeah, I gave steps to. Okay, Gaurav, just try this, and if you are able to create successfully, then that's fine. Okay.
Okay, Pratap, thank you.
Yeah, and you can start practicing, and yeah, and some more files. This employee type, employee position, I manually created. These scripts I will send it to you guys. Okay, you need not to worry about these scripts. Okay, yeah, so these scripts I will send it now itself if you want. Okay, I will send this also. You can open SQL developer and run these scripts manually. Fine.
Okay. One more request, Pratap. Can you tell Gangadhar to load Toad in it? So we are used to it actually.
Or
So
Toad, I don't think so. We have Toad
yeah, yeah.
software. SQL developer is better actually than Toad for us.
Really?
Yeah,
I think
because
We are
Toad,
used
yeah,
to
even I used Toad, but yeah, we felt
very
comfortable with this,
comfortable.
so we went this. So use this, no issues. It is very basic stuff itself, normal.
okay,
See,
okay,
you
no
won't be
problem.
using most of the times. It's like uh, only for querying or for any unit test cases and all you go for this. So. Okay, so this is also sent. Okay, fine, guys. Then you can just do the same steps, and Chandrasekhar, you can start practicing. Okay.
Sure, Pratap. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll meet today, tomorrow, the
Thank
same
you.
time.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, and if you have any other issues, we can discuss. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks.
Pratap, one question, Pratap.
Yeah,
Yes,
Chandrasekhar,
bye.
go ahead. Go ahead. Tell me.
Actually, I want to know about OBIEE testing, how it goes.
Okay, you want to discuss about OBIEE testing, right?
Yes, yes.
Sure. We will discuss. So once we start with our UI, right, then I will tell you how to do OBIEE testing and all. That also I will just I'll give you a basic idea how to do unit testing and all. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So don't hurry. Any questions? We will try to discuss everything, all the topics, so many things, so that you don't have any doubts and all. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, man. Thank you. Bye, guys.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah, start with basics. Don't hurry now itself. You will learn everything, but start slowly and increase your complexity one by one. If I simply tell everything, also you will not understand it, right? So slowly will increase the complexity. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks. Bye, guys.